Alright, what's up, y'all? So we're gonna be starting off on getting some snacks today. Alright, let's straight. Yeah. Alright, so first we're gonna go to the candy section.
Moments later.
Yep, they're right here. Let's see. These are about 11 something. About 11 something.
Moments later.
Up front, you know this. You come in here every other day.
No, like we're out of there.
What, where all the Slim Jims are?
No, like the pack, the box.
Let me see.
Appreciate it. There you go. Alright, next I gotta get where's that? Alright, we'll get these so we get alright, oh yeah, it cut short because I ran on storage again, but got the basket. Now I gotta get
Later that same evening.
boom. If y'all ever want a snack, I'm gonna put y'all on these right here. Yeah, cheese it. But my favorites are the extra cheesy. Yeah, right here. Oh yeah, that's gonna conclude Family Dollar. I know it wasn't here long, but I do have other clips that I'm gonna try to merge in. I'm gonna try because I had to redo like this whole thing because